Hey, long time no see. How's everything going?
Pretty good. I've been busy figuring out my career path lately. What about you?
Same here. Actually, I've been thinking seriously about switching careers. I want to move into UX design.
Oh, really? That's awesome. What made you choose UX?
Well, I've always loved both tech and psychology, and UX is kind of the perfect mix. Plus, I want to do something more creative but still problem solving.
That makes sense. Have you started taking any steps?
Yeah, I enrolled in an online boot camp and started building a portfolio. The plan is to land a junior position within the next 6 months.
That's solid. Are you nervous about making such a big shift?
A bit, yeah. But I figured if I don't try now, I might regret it later. What about you? Still sticking with marketing?
Actually, I'm thinking about specializing in digital strategy. I'm applying for a master's program next year to level up.
Nice, that sounds like a great move. Feels like we're both trying to grow in the right direction.
Exactly. Here's to new chapters.
Cheers to that.